How to use two number in one WhatsApp. Hi guys, so in this video I'll teach you how to use two number in one WhatsApp. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So what we can do is we head over to WhatsApp, we can click on the three dots right here and click on settings. If you click on account, as you can see, there's only an option to change the number. So if you want to actually add another number in the WhatsApp, then what I can recommend you to do is to head over to your Play Store, search for Parallel Space right here, and then install this. After having installed this, click on open, and then this will open your Parallel Space, and then it will open this one. So just check WhatsApp on this thing right here. So as you can see, I have checked WhatsApp. So click on this add to Parallel Space, and then this will load like this. And then if you want to open your WhatsApp, you can click on this one right here. So you can also try to add this to your home screen. Click on create shortcuts right here, and then when you head over to your home screen, you should be able to see the WhatsApp right here. So let's click on WhatsApp, then click on install right here. So it's just because you need to install the 64-bit support, but once you have installed that, you should be able to access WhatsApp. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to use two number in one WhatsApp. If you have questions or comments, comment them down below and I'll try best to answer them. Thanks.